Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to flip image. As example, I will insert image. You can go to insert tab, click picture, and I will insert from this device. As example, I will insert this image, click insert. Now if you want to flip this image, you can select the image and then go to rotate tools in arrange, click, and then you can set by flipping horizontal, or you can set flip vertical. You can click in flip horizontal, click to apply. To flip again, you can click rotate, and then you can choose your flip. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to flip image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.